Greetings from sunny South Florida. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Crew cab, really in outstanding shape, loaded up, leather interior, polished alloy wheels, running boards, rear backup camera, parking sensors, loaded up. It's got a lot of toys. Beautiful blue color, very nice condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. Beautiful vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Front bumper with fog lights, grill, bumper, all brand new, really in beautiful condition. Look at that. Hood's in outstanding shape. You can see here, really outstanding condition. Very nice. Got the chrome bumper, fog lights, wheels look really nice, polished aluminum. Passenger side fender in the front, outstanding condition. As you can see there, no marks, no damage on it, very clean. Passenger side mirror, look at that, beautiful condition. Doors in outstanding shape. On the passenger side, really nice condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in outstanding condition. Really in beautiful shape. Bedside on the passenger side, also in outstanding condition. Very nice. Super clean, look at that. Walking around the back. Tailgate looks beautiful, clean throughout. It's got a lock, also backup camera right there. Very nice. Rear bumper, chrome with parking sensors. It's an LT package. I believe this is the LT2 package because it has a lot of features on it. It's got the leather, it's got the backup sensors, backup camera, really loaded up. Bedside on the driver's side, also in outstanding condition. Look at that, beautiful shape. Rear door on the driver's side, also in outstanding condition. No marks, nothing to show there, very clean. Mirror on the driver's side, also beautiful condition. Driver door looks beautiful throughout, very nice. Front fender on the driver's side, also in outstanding condition. Running boards, chrome, really nice feature. Windshield looks good, don't see any marks or anything on it, very clean. Take a look up above. Roof looks good, don't see any marks or any damage here to show, very clean. Really in outstanding condition. Okay, well that's our walk around. Beautiful condition inside and out. Gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. Stay tuned. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Look at all the controls, really in outstanding condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Has Bose sound. Rugs are in really nice condition. Leather's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Dashboard, everything looks really beautiful on this car. Really in outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really in outstanding shape. Look at that. Look at the handle there. It's brand new. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Very nice. Car does have Bose sound. Nice feature, upgraded. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, really nice. Has a white stitching on there, looks really cool. Rugs are clean. Does come with a full set of floor mats that are rubber. We'll show you them in the pictures. Very nice. Dashboard, everything looks brand new on this vehicle. Really in outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Really nice condition. Look at the armrest. Beautiful shape. Taking a look at the rear seat. Rear seats are in beautiful condition. Leather looks really nice. Rugs are clean. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. It's really nice. Super clean. Rugs are clean. Leather looks brand new. Look at that. Really in beautiful condition. Okay, we're inside this 2014 Chevy Silverado. So the key fob is right here. Key. I'm going to put in ignition. You see the magic. Starts up perfect. All the gauges are fully functional. You can see there. They go all the way, go back down. Okay, everything's fully functional. This vehicle has 46,046 miles. Okay, good stuff. Let's take a look at some of the features on this vehicle. We got power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic lights with fog lights in the front. Nice feature. Intermediate wipers that you can set up there. It's got a tow button here, and it also's got a shifter, so you can manually shift it if you wanted to, if you got to tow something or whatever. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Then it's got an information center. You can go through the menus here, which is pretty cool. Really nice. Look at that. Shows you the tire pressure of each tire. It's really cool. Miles per gallon, all that good stuff. It's got a lot of features. Let's put it back on the miles per hour. Now when you open the door, see right there, it shows you which door's open on the bottom, and it shows you the individual door that's been left open, which is a nice feature. Okay, up above here, you got automatically dimming mirror with OnStar. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. It's got two glove boxes there. A lot of storage. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really in outstanding condition. Can't get any better than that. Very nice shape. Taking a look at the information center here where the radio is. It's fully functional. Everything's nice, working perfectly. Let's go to radio. That's where we are right now. You got an XM radio, AM, FM. It's got a media. You can select media if you'd like, and then you could actually pair your device, or you can plug it into the USB this car has. So let's go back again here. Let's go back home again. Take a look at all the features. So we have Bluetooth for the phone. It says OnStar Navi, Pandora if you want to subscribe and stuff. Audio, OnStar, and settings. So I guess when you click here, it shows you east, west. Yeah, you can call OnStar and subscribe to that. You can go backspace here and go back home again. And then of course, as you know, Pandora, if you have it, you have to set up the internet and all that stuff. So it's something to look at in the future. Beneath there, you have climate control. So each one of these has their own temperature. You can set up a temperature here. Whatever temperature you set there, it comes up on the screen here. And it shows you which is the one that's controlling that temperature, which is pretty cool. Okay. And we're looking at here has heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Beneath here has adjustable pedals, traction control. It's got the light in the back and parking sensors in the back, which is really nice. Okay. And the armrest here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and inside here you're going to find 2 USBs and an auxiliary plug there, and then a power supply here in case you want to plug something in there. Really nice. Three cup holders here with a couple pockets there to save stuff. If you open it here, that's the upper and the lower. The car does come with a full set of books. You can see that in the pictures. Okay, looks good. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Everything's fully functional. Really in outstanding shape. Let's take it back to the radio screen again. And the radio screen is really good. It has a lot of information. Really nice. And then of course it shows you which way you're driving. It shows east there. Really, really well equipped. Very nice condition. I'll show you a cool feature this vehicle has. When you put the car in reverse, it has a backup camera. You can see there, when you turn the steering, those little lines move, so it tells you which way you're going, which is pretty cool. Another feature also, Up above here, there's a button here, and that's going to be for the rear glass. So you can open up your rear glass. Really nice. Okay, so we're sitting inside already. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Put it in drive. Here we go. 2014, 46,000 miles. Really in nice shape. Tires are in good condition. Has the upgraded package. I think this is a LT2. It's got leather. It's got a bunch of toys. Bluetooth, auxiliary, Pandora. It's got a lot of features. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the brakes real quick. Going about 50 miles an hour. Let's press the brakes hard, see what it does. See if it stays in position. Yes, it does. Stayed straight. Stopped perfect. Very nice. Okay, let's catch a little bit of speed here. Truck feels really smooth. Going 43 miles an hour. Looks good. Feels nice and smooth. The steer feels good. Drives nice. Do another little run here. Okay, well that's going to conclude our test drive. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 786-431-9046. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and show you the tires under the hood and take a look at that the bed. Really nice. Brakes stay straight. Very nice. Stay tuned. These are the floor mats that come with it. The original floor mats from Chevy. These actually clip right into the floor, which is really nice. So you got floor mats for the vehicle that come with it. And then looking at the bed liner is original GM. As you can see here, original GM. It says Chevrolet right up here. And then on the center there, you can see it says GM. Up above, it has a power window that opens, which is really nice, right beneath the third brake light. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. This one has a V8, 5.3 liter engine. Really nice. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Everything looks brand new. Vehicle only has about 40,000 miles on it, which is nothing on one of these Chevy trucks. Really well equipped. Emission sticker, look at that. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. The tire's in outstanding condition, looks brand new. Rim is in really nice shape, look at that. Beautiful condition, Michelin tire. Take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire has a good amount of tread on there, it looks really nice. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Take a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire looks good, good amount of tread on there, looks decent. Rim is clean, does have a couple imperfections here and there, nothing major. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks really good shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean, does have a couple imperfections here and there, but overall in good shape. This vehicle does have a rebuild title. We're going to review what was repaired. The items that were replaced were the grille, front bumper, both lights, and fender on the passenger side were all replaced with new parts. And then the hood had a small dent on it, and that was repaired and painted to match. So that's what you're looking at. It came out perfect, paint match perfect. Really, really nice job. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, nationalautosaleLLC.com. Thank you very much.